Hey, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Everything OneNote. Today, I'm talking think, pair, shares. I'm talking about some variations on the think, pair, share. I'm going to give you guys a couple of templates and a couple of resources that you can all implement into your own notebook. So, here I am on our Everything OneNote page, and you'll find these resources under delivering curriculum, and it's in the group work section. So, um, think, pair, share is your bread and butter. It's probably the thing that we all first get taught at university when we're studying to be teachers. But I find it's obviously a very simple and a cool way to be able to implement some group work into your OneNote. I know myself personally, I often think that some of my OneNotes are too individualized in that, the students have their private folders, and unless you're taking advantage of the collaboration space, we're often distributing work to the students and they're all sort of working individually. So trying to create the best of both worlds here by giving some resources on some think, pair, shares and some variations on the think, pair, share, where we can still distribute to the students' private sections, but we're still enabling some form of group work as well. So the think, pair, share, as we all know, is a collaborative learning strategy where the students work together to solve a problem or a question. So it's generally our open-ended questions with multiple answers. So we really want them to think about all the different possible answers to that question. A couple of templates here. I got think, pair, share 1, 2, and then a think, pair, share again, and a think, pair, square. There's more variations than that. They're just the 2 or 3 that I've gone for this. I'll probably potentially build on that in other videos or just add some more resource to this as we go. But the think, pair, share, very simply, just creating a little, using the tables at the top, creating an area for the kids to be able to think, write down some of their ideas, pair up, write their ideas, and then share as a class and formulate their ideas. So why use a think, pair, share? I guess to give you guys some justification as the importance and some of the benefits of using a think, pair, share. So firstly, it helps students to think individually about a topic or answer a question. So often we don't provide students with that time to really think. We either throw a question out there and a student puts their hands up and answers it straight away, or we throw out a question and we don't wait long enough and we answer it ourselves. So intentionally giving students those 1 to 2 minutes to really sit and think about all the potential answers to that question. 2, it draws on the students' prior knowledge. So we're looking at making connections to any previous knowledge they have around that topic. 3, it teaches the student to share ideas with the classmates and builds on their communication skills. It assists students focus attention and engage in comprehending the content, and it then expands on the student's topic or knowledge of that topic. So the students obviously start off with 2 or 3 things in their think column. It will then build into their pair column, and then into their share column, they'll probably end up with 9 or 10 ideas or suggestions. So they're expanding on that knowledge, but they started with 2 or 3 things. Now they know 8 or 9 things about that topic. So here's just a couple of variations and a couple of templates, like I said, that you guys can just take. I'll put it all in the one big text box. You can highlight and copy and paste either into your own pages or at the bottom of a worksheet or wherever you want to put it. Couple of templates for the think, pair, share. That's just another example of the same thing. Then we've got the think, pair, share again, which is essentially the same process for the first 2 steps. And the third step involves the students pairing up with a different partner. So just trying to get some different perspective, or maybe someone they might not normally talk to or associate with in class to get some different opinions and that sort of stuff. And the last one is a think, pair, square, share. So again, we're just changing up that third step. And in this one, 2 pairs. So those initial pairs in step 2 are going to team up with another 2 group of pairs and formulate a square, which is amazing. And then we share as a class. Okay, so there is just a couple of variations. Like I said, these are not by all means new or amazing, but I've tried to take out a bit of the work for you in creating some resources to be able to access these stuff and copy and paste straight into OneNote, and hopefully implement a little bit more group work into your OneNote pages. I know I'm definitely going to be adding these to some of my pages right now. All right, thanks for watching. Ciao.